Hello and welcome to the video. Let me introduce myself. I am V. Sendamiran. This video is going to be about our Smart India Hackathon project. And our team name is Dark Enlighters. The problem statement ID is SIH 1660 and the statement title is Interactive Gamified Approach to Ocean Literacy. Theme is Smart Automation. Category is Software. First, let me explain what our project is about. Our project is to make a game. The game will educate the people or user who are playing the game about the ocean and the ocean living. Then the question arises, why a person or a man has to be educated about ocean and ocean living? The whole humankind and living of humankind is based on sustainability, so that they can form, evolve and give different generations. This is the base of our project. Sustainability development plays a vital role. The ocean literacy and education about ocean living is a main part of sustainability development. The 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development, adopted by all United Nations members in 2015, created 17 World Sustainable Development Goals. It was also accepted that these SDGs are not possible to achieve without changing humans' relationship with ocean. We are educating people about ocean to develop the sustainability process in our earth. This is the main part of our game, that it focuses on the behavioral change of human beings towards the ocean. The web-based game we are creating is based on the ocean situations. For example, in the game, the user or a player is assigned to a particular character, a fisherman or a tourist or a marine engineer. The gameplay is based on situations, like a fisherman is going to fish in some area in the ocean. The game will ask you questions like, can the fisherman can fish in this particular area or cannot? For that particular character, particular situation is given, and for that particular situation, choices are given. So the character or user has to click or select any situation or select any option, so that player or user will get knowledge about ocean. The gaurd engine is the main engine that we use to build our game, and the GD script is a scripting language that is used for the scripting purpose of this particular game. We used fire-based framework in this game so that the game can be used or played in any platform easily. The name of our game is Oceanus and the user interface of our game is displayed on the screen. As I said before, the game is based on situations and the characters. And now it's time to see how the game is being designed. Now in the screen we see that a particular situation is given to a particular character in the game. A new marine protected area MPA is established near your usual fishing grounds. The MPA restricts all fishing activities to protect endangered species and marine habitats. How do you react? So this is the question. 3 options are given accordingly. The player has to choose any one of the option, and if the correct option is chosen, the player is moved to the next level. And if he selects the wrong option, then the correct option is shown in the screen and it will guide you how it actually works in the ocean. And the game will also give you the reason whether it is a right or a wrong choice. Role-based scenarios and role-based choices are given accordingly. For example, here marine engineer is the character and 4 scenarios are given for that particular character. So this is the basic ideology of our game. Player can get educated about ocean by playing the game and act accordingly to the particular situation. In the backend, a web-based framework is created using the gaurd engine and the fire-based framework. The backend framework is created to stream the web-based game. Now we are going to see the gameplay. When we click the link, we can get introduced to the game. The link is now being opened. It is built on gaurd engine. This interface is shown. Now we click play and we choose marine engineer. When we get into marine engineer, we see 4 scenarios. And when I click into the first scenario, I got a question. Your team has discovered that fish population in a particular area is rapidly declining due to overfishing. How do you react? So there are 3 options. I'm going to select one option, and the selected option is a good decision and the reason is given accordingly. If I selected a wrong option, it will show it is a wrong option and the reason for that, and the different scenarios are shown accordingly. And now I'm selecting some scenario and I'm going to click the wrong option and see what happened. So it is showing it is a moderate decision, and the reason it is a moderate decision is shown by the game. And the good decision for the particular scenario is also given. The player is introduced to a situation. For example, here the player is given a character of a kid in a beach, and how the kid is gonna react for the situation. The situation is there are lot of plastic materials in the beach. In the game, kid has to collect the plastic materials from the beach and gather it together, put it in the dustbin. The user playing the game is trained to do the same thing in real life, that he or she who visiting the ocean or beach will collect the plastic from the beach and put it in the dustbin. Thus it changes the behavior of the user who playing the game towards the environment. The role, situation and character based web game is explained in this video. By playing this game, the player can get educated and get knowledge about ocean and sustainability development and get awareness about ocean sciences and give awareness to the future beings. Thank you for the opportunity.